In this video, I'm going to help you decide which AI tool is right for your needs by comparing Perplexity, ChatGPT, and Grok. I'll start by looking at a high-level comparison to see where each model excels. Perplexity is widely considered the superior choice for cited research and fact-finding because it prioritizes accurate, source-backed answers with comprehensive analysis. ChatGPT remains the best all-rounder for creative tasks, coding, and general content generation, while Grok shines for real-time social media insights thanks to its direct access to data from X. Moving over to a community discussion on Reddit, I want to see how these tools perform specifically for academic research. I notice users suggesting a systematic approach, often using a combination of models to get the best results. One user mentions they use Perplexity for rapid internet searches to gather data, then dump that information into a more creative model like GPT-4 for advanced analysis. I'm also seeing a lot of praise for Gemini 1.5 Pro due to its massive context window, which is perfect for summarizing long research papers or complex documents. As I scroll through the feedback, it's clear that while ChatGPT is a favorite for its versatility, Perplexity is the standout for anyone who needs to avoid hallucinations and wants direct links to primary sources. Choosing the right tool really comes down to whether you prioritize real-time data, creative flow, or rigorous factual accuracy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.